Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. In this technical analysis, I'm going to talk about the gold. Okay, guys, you know that I have already predicted the upward trend and I have updated this thing in the yesterday video that the market has moved up. So throughout the night, the market started to go up, and now if you look at the today's session, then we have a slight drop. That's what we called a correction in the market. So gold has made some sort of correction, but still, guys, I'm bullish on gold, and the market has reached to the Fibonacci 23.6% level. So guys, if you look at the previous candle, that is closed in a very good bullish way, and it is closed just above the 23.6 level. So guys, again, I'm expecting the upward trend on gold. So from now we can see that we can expect some decent upward momentum. And if you look at the daily candle, then it's just dodgy at the moment. But guys, the yesterday candle was very good, pumped up, and still I'm expecting the upward trend. So overall my signal is bullish. And the weekly, you know that I have already given the weekly analysis on gold that went perfectly fine, that I have predicted that the gold will move up, and right now you can see that the gold has moved into 13-15 levels. So guys, still I'm expecting a bullish pressure on gold. So let's see in how many hours it will take some time. It can take some time, or it can also revert from the same level, because I'm just watching at Fibonacci. It is at 23.6 level, and if it will get the pressure, then definitely the market can go up. So overall, if you ask me about the trend for today on gold, then I'm completely bullish on this pair. Overall, guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that are attached on my chart, if you want to increase your trading technique through my video lessons, and if you want to take one-to-one live coaching, or if you want to join the Telegram channel, then for all these inquiries, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.